This is a new LCD panel. We have many of these in our warehouse. It is designed to work with legacy TTL video signals. You may be needing a monochrome or color TTL monitor. This compatible display will work as either. You may contact Computer Fusion to get a document detailing the frequencies and cable pin assignments. This monitor works as a mono, MGA, MDA, CGA, and EGA. Many manufacturing customers may use this monitor on their lathe, CNC, and industrial press. These industrial customers may remove the monitor stand to remount the panel.